I feel a lot healthier when I'm having sex. Just energy jitters. I take vitamins. I work out every day. When I'm having sex, I don't have that. My passion should be clear, and please know it runs deep within all levels of my consciousness. I feel it. I feel everything. Every time I get a tattoo, my parents say they'll disown me. I have to get them airbrushed for charmed. Witches don't have tattoos, I guess. What can we do to make the world's children a priority? I keep a journal day planner, which really helps me stay organized and focused. Baseball represents family. It represents my childhood. Time is an amazing enigma in which seeds that were planted can turn into a vibrant garden if properly pruned. My biggest surprise when I became a mom was how I had so much love inside me to give to someone.